All right, what's going on, people? This Kelvin Kid, and I just wanted to show you guys the trades that I posted on my community tab on YouTube that I was in. I'm showing it on this screen because I don't want people to see my indicator and get ideas and give people that do make indicators something to try to use to their advantage so they can sell you another indicator, right? You want to make indicators based on your strategy, just like you want to trade your own unique way. You don't want to trade like nobody else because what you see in these markets is totally different what I see in these markets, and what I see in these markets is totally different from what others see in this market. We can be thinking buy and somebody else could be thinking sell, right? So it's no one way, but this is an indicator that is good actually. Simplicity, I know you guys heard of it, but I've been using this and I've been re-engineering and been figuring some stuff out with it. So you guys can use that. I will show you some tips on that and how to use it, but I don't no longer use it. But it is a good feature for newbies. But yeah, this is Euro JPY. It actually hit my TP, so we out of that trade. And I like to trade on the 4 hour, right? Let me just delete that. Delete these. All right. So I like to trade on the 4 hour. This one is hitting resistance right now, but our TP is up here. It might do some action in New York, opening New York. So we're still waiting on that one. I think we was down 16 on this one, but we got 3 positions on this. And two of these in profit, one of them is not. It's just like right on that cluster borderline. So we're gonna see what that holds. It's looking like it's about to start getting in profit. Um, USD Chef, as you can see, we are 46 pips. We got 2 positions on this. The first one in profit, the second one still not in profit. As you can see, look, boom, and we're just gonna take this back up to here and ride that bad boy. So that one winning, and this is that 310 one. That's USD CAD. I told you guys from way down here, it's got a lot of potential to reverse back up. And I caught this thing at the bottom with my indicator. Like I said, you guys don't need indicators, but I solely made it for my style of trading. So I know how I trade. I makes that indicator easier for me to enter that trade, and those exit and TP points will be automatically on the screen for me. So, but that's where we at right now. 309 pips. This is 2 positions. Yeah, 2 positions. So that's about 150 a piece or something like that. Um, but anyway, man, everything you need to know. Let me just see something right quick. I can't pull it up. Let me just pause it right quick. All right, I went to a blank chart. Now, everything you need to know is in this data, people. It's on the charts. It's determined how you figure this stuff out, like how you view it. So everything you need to know is literally in these charts. It's in data, right? As you can see, we got an impulse, we got a pullback, right? Impulse, a major impulse, got a small pullback, impulse, and pullback, right? You got to stick to the fundamentals, people. Look. And within that impulse, we got these miniature pullbacks, right? Impulse, pullback, impulse, pullback, impulse, pullback, right? It broke this. Then we got a impulse. It broke that high. Boom. Then we got a pullback, right? So we got these impulses and pullbacks, and that's basically all you trading is impulses and pullbacks. Now, people, you can get into market structure and stuff like that, but everything you need to know is literally in these charts, people. It's literally in these charts, and how you choose to study it is how you choose to trade. There's no one way to skin a cat, people. But I want to show you this I want to show you this indicator for people who just don't get it. This is a good indicator. You can hit up him um on his website and he sell it, and you can actually use this thing to your advantage. But this is not his indicator. It's just this right here, and this arrow, and they come with zones, but you don't need that. But as you can see, it's a good fundamental thing. Look, see, you got this impulse. It broke the moving average. So what you waiting for? A pullback, right? I mean, what it pulled back to? This moving average, right? So you could just highlight that moving average. Just highlight price in that area. And I tell people this all the time. This stuff works effectively. He don't teach us this, because this is the 4 hour. He teaches 4:30, but I'm teaching you. You could do all this on the 4 hour time frame. And once you highlight price, when it's get back to this moving average, just drop down to your 15 minute for a continuation trade, people. That's it. You know, you could get multiple trades out of that. So as you can see, impulse pullback, highlight price once it gets towards this moving average. Impulse, right? Pullback, highlight price once it gets towards the moving average. Wait for your signal on the 15. Boom. Impulse pullback, impulse pullback. So we're going to drop down to our 15. And I'm going to tell you guys again. For anybody that's not making money, in trading, this is a solid system. You just gotta re-engineer this stuff. People don't really be having the time. Let me just go back, see how far I can go back. All right, that's the third one. I think this the first one. That's the first one. So there go your arrow. You could have rolled that bad boy down. Boom. Like I said, impulse. I mean a pullback. This is what a price at. Wait for your arrow. Boom, you got your arrow for a continuation. Just roll it down, right? You got two arrows, right? Boom. How many pips you made on just that arrow alone? That's about 55 pips. It pulled back on you, but you were still up. You probably was negative 2, 3 pips. Went back down 65 pips. But you continuation in on a 4 hour. You just getting in on the entry on the 15 minute. So that's 3 entries, people. Look, 1, 2, 3, right? That's 3 entries. And this thing went back down. That's another entry. But that's the impulse. This is the pullback. Here go your another entry right here, right? Look at that. Solid moves, people. 100 and some pips. Another one. 1, 2, 3. 3 entries. And that sucker drop. And this is how I look on the higher time frame. That's how I look on the higher time frame. See that? Solid. It's a solid system, people. So with all of the systems and indicators that he's selling, this is by far the best ones because you could do pretty much anything on this indicator. Or you just gotta understand how market moves. You gotta understand price action, people. Like you can trade indicators. Nothing is wrong with trading indicators. People say they lag, but if you understand price action, people, look. Let me just do this. Let me just delete it. If you understand price action, right? Boom. This is your series of up candles. Boom. It broke it, right? This is your trading area. What it do? Look, what it do? And that's my setup. Right here. That's how I trade. That's exactly how I trade. I'm getting in soon as it crossed this line. Because that's my area to trade in. And what happened? It sold off, people. Boom. That's 187 pips. That's how I trade. But I made my own indicator to disregard all these markups on this chart. So I don't have to do that. You know what I'm saying? So again, here's the series of down candles, right? You're looking for this right here. Let me just put it like this. There we go. I can't grab it. right? Bam, right there. Let me blow it up. I can't really see. All right, here we go. So I'm looking for this right here. It didn't reach it, but guess what? Came up, shot down, right? Same thing right here. You just get this. Boom. This is a series right there. Boom. Came up, shot down. Came up, shot down. So and I got 6 years experience. So what I'm saying, other people might see it. Other people might get what I'm getting to, but some people just don't have a clue. They don't understand what I'm doing. But that's why you need experience in this market. Get out of these groups that's just selling you stuff, and they're not actually giving you productive trading ideas, and actually teaching you the basics, people. The basics and the fundamentals is really important. Impulses and pullbacks, because that's all this is. We got an impulse, we got a pullback, and what you need to understand is where it's gonna pull back to, and which is gonna, you know, impulse to. Basically, your TPs, right? So once you understand all that, then you can create your own trading ideas, and I mean your own trading plan, and get to work, people. Cause just like this right here, I got in on this sucker, but look, I'm not gonna give you that much, but I got in right in this area off of the lower time frame. Trying to blow it up. All right, let's see. Boom. Right now, I will be getting in the re-entry right here for a continuation, if it even get to that point, right? Why? Because guess what? This ball here took out all this. So it's just, from my experience, it's just obvious that this thing might come back down. Because this thing it can shoot all the way back up, but we're looking for that impulse, pullback, impulse, pullback, right? Impulse, pullback, however it go to impulse, right? So you wanna be ahead of the game to try to catch those moves, and but me, I got an indicator so that I could catch this move, this move, this move. Like every move, I could catch the impulse, and I could catch the pullback. I could catch the impulse, and I could catch the pullback. I could catch the impulse, I could catch the pullback. So so I'm good enough to have a trade every day, right? So, but that's all I wanted to show you guys. Like I said, this one hit. That's just a blank one. We still in this trade. Um, this one about to hit about to actually get up there. This one is in profit on these two. This one is not. So we still down negative 12 pips. And this the one actually hit our TP. So we went in two, we went in three, and now losing this one for now. And people, when you know where these trades gonna go, you can hedge and make money off both ways. Like I'm doing that right here. You can hedge. I'm not doing it on this one, on this account, but the other account I am. But yeah, that's it. Um, this one should be in profit pretty soon, or if not today, tomorrow, or sometime this week, like tomorrow, because Friday. But other than that, we're just gonna wait it out, and if not, we just take that L. We got three winners. This one, TP hit. This one, still up, and USD CAD, right? So yeah, that's it, people. Like I said, everything is in the charts, people. Just take the time and figure this stuff out, get experience, get on your own journey. Stop following behind these people. I mean, if you need YouTube, it's a good source to just kind of understand stuff, ICT stuff, figure it out and just execute, people. But other than that, y'all get at me, like, comment, subscribe.